It's November 15th, 2010, and it's about 9 p.m. in the evening, and we are in the middle of a windstorm here on Salt Spring Island. 70 to 90 k winds. The power just went back on. It was out for about 45 minutes. It's blowing pretty good here. Westerlies coming in off the ocean. Not a bad temperature though. It's about 12 degrees Celsius here, so that's about 54, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's blowing to beat the band, especially up in the high treetops. Our property here is very sheltered and surrounded by tall native Douglas fir trees and other evergreen trees. So a lot of the wind goes over top of us here on Salt Spring Island, but there's still going to be a lot of branches scattered on the road when I get up early in the morning and take my drive into work. So, but you can probably hear the trees. Those are the eucalyptus trees blowing in the wind. Up on top, I can't focus the camera in there because they're too dark. It's way too dark up there, but I got the floodlights on my palm garden here, so you can just, I'll be quiet for a second, you can hear the wind. Windiest months here from, I guess, late October through March. So we don't usually get a lot of windstorms in here because the southern Gulf Islands are pretty sheltered. We've got Vancouver Island, the big island to the west of us, and lots of other islands to the east of us. So Salt Spring is actually one of the most sheltered of the islands. The outer islands are probably getting hammered pretty good. It's really blowing across the street at the beach. I can hear the wind big time. Thank God there's forest that buffers our garden here from the wind from the ocean. Otherwise you'd take the full brunt of it.